to fix Ontario's long-term care system. Now, as part of that plan, our government committed to doubling the number of long-term care inspectors in the province, and I'm here today to announce that we have delivered on that province. After making a significant investment, we have hired actually 193 new long-term care inspection staff, including 156 new inspectors, meeting our goal of doubling the number of inspectors in the province. Now, these additional inspectors will help strengthen what is already Canada's toughest inspection and enforcement regime. Ontario now leads all provinces with the highest inspector-to-home ratio in the country, surpassing our goal of having one inspector for every 2 homes in the province. Simply put, more inspectors means more inspections, allowing us to do a better job of holding homes accountable, keeping residents safe, and improving the care residents receive. This hiring effort was part of a wider suite of changes the government put in place in December 2021 to strengthen the province's enforcement capabilities. Our government passed the landmark Fixing Long-Term Care Act, which established new compliance and enforcement tools, including doubling the fines for convicted offences and introducing administrative monetary penalties for certain cases of non-compliance. And we expanded the grounds under which the ministry can require a temporary manager and can be brought into to assist in the operations of a long-term care home, situations where there are concerns about the health, safety, or welfare of residents. Now, building a strong, resilient long-term care sector also means improving staffing and care and building more homes for our seniors. That's why we are investing over $5 billion to improve staffing to reach our goal of 4 hours of care per day per resident. On top of this, we're putting over $6.4 billion to build and upgrade over 58,000 long-term care beds across the province, in small communities and large communities, urban and rural, bringing care closer to home. One of the things that we have constantly heard from people is how important it is that they have access to a home in the communities that they help build, and that is why we are making such important investments across this province. Now, inspections is a very important part of this program, and I just want to take a moment, if I can, Adam and Michael and the entire team that are behind me are just a sampling of some of the inspectors who will be crisscrossing the province of Ontario. It is their job to make sure, in cooperation with a number of other inspectors, the 156 others that we've hired, to make sure that the residents in our homes are safe. They will do an incredible job on behalf of the people of the province of Ontario, but it is also their job to work with our homes. It's not just about enforcing the rules and the regulations and making sure that we have the highest quality of care. It is also about assisting our homes so that they reach the goals that we have set under the Fixing Long-Term Care Act. And I just want to highlight, as a minister, I get to come up and make these announcements, but it is these people here who will lead our efforts to make sure that our seniors remain safe. And I just want to take, again, a very brief moment to thank Adam, Michael, and just thank all of you. You have a hard work ahead of you, and I truly appreciate everything that you'll be doing on behalf of the province of Ontario. With that, I will conclude, and if there are any questions, we would be delighted to take them.
Thanks, everyone. Just if we have any questions, media, just ask that you line up here, state your name and your outlet, along with a question and one follow-up.
Good. Perfect.
All right, seeing none.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. All right, thanks again, brother.